Senior advocate Rakesh Kishore, who attempted to throw a shoe at CJI B.R. Gavai in the Supreme Court, has defended his actions, saying he was deeply hurt by the Chief Justice's remark on a plea concerning a damaged Vishnu idol in Khajuraho. Kishore emphasized that he was not under the influence of alcohol and that his act was a reaction to what he perceived as disrespect towards matters related to Sanatan Dharma. He also stated that he does not regret his actions and face the situation without any kind of fear.
मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आहत हुआ कि 16 सितंबर को चीफ जस्टिस के कोर्ट में एक पीआईएल किसी व्यक्ति ने दाखिल की, तो गवई साहब ने उसका जो है पूरी तरह से पहले तो मजाक उड़ाया। मजाक इन द सेंस कि ये कहा कि भाई आप मूर्ति से प्रार्थना करो, जाके आइडल से कहो कि वो अपना सर खुद रीस्टोर कर ले। जबकि हम देखते हैं कि यही चीफ जस्टिस बहुत सारे धर्मों के खिलाफ, जो दूसरे समुदाय के लोग हैं, आप सब जानते हैं वो लोग कौन हैं। ठीक है, उस आदमी को रिलीफ नहीं देनी थी, मत दीजिए, मगर मजाक भी मत कीजिए उसका। फिर उससे कहा कि आप जाके मंदिर की उसी मूर्ति के सामने मेडिटेट करें। हम कोई ऑर्डर, अन्याय, ये इनजस्टिस ये किया कि उसके रिट पिटीशन को खारिज भी कर दिया। तो इन चीज़ों से लेके मैं बहुत आहत था। ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नशे में था या मैंने कोई गोलियां खा रखी थी और मैं कुछ करके आया, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। उन्होंने एक्शन किया, मेरा रिएक्शन था, ये जो भी था। तो आप इसके लिए जैसे लेना चाहें लीजिए। आई एम फ्री टू से दिस थिंग कि मैं फियरफुल नहीं हूँ किसी चीज़ के लिए, ना मुझे कोई इस बात का अफसोस है कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ।
The Bar Council of India issued an interim suspension calling his behavior inconsistent with the dignity of the court. Despite the incident during a court hearing, CJI Gavai remained composed and continued with the proceedings without any kind of disruption. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast on this news piece. Sabyasachi, please tell us, an action which has now been taken against this advocate who tried hurling a shoe at the CJI.
Well, that's right. See, action has been taken against him by the Bar Council, where the Bar Council has decided to suspend his license. Meanwhile, in the first statement that has come in from the person who belongs to the law fraternity, legal fraternity, and who carried out the attack against Chief Justice of India, Mr. Gavai. Now, post that attack, though the Chief Justice of India clearly stated that he does not wish to hold any charges against him, and that is the reason why the Delhi police let him go after the initial questioning. Meanwhile, he has also given up a statement stating that he does not regret his action and he feels that Almighty made him do it. In fact, he also says that he does not regret, neither he is going to apologize to the Chief Justice of India for his action. He also cited the example of Nupur Sharma, and he criticized Chief Justice of India, Mr. Gavai, for making the statement where he calls that the statement made by the Chief Justice of India was against the Sanatan Dharma, and that was a disrespect to the Sanatan Dharma, and that is the reason why he carried out this action. Meanwhile, yesterday, immediately after he carried out this sort of action, the Delhi police present inside the court premises immediately detained him and taken him from initial questioning, and post that several political leaders, right from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to leader of opposition Mr. Rahul Gandhi, all of them have condemned this sort of action against the Chief Justice of India, and all of them have praised Chief Justice of India for the way he has handled the situation. In fact, at the time when this incident happened, the case was going on, the hearing was going on, and Chief Justice of India told the councils that when he does not give attention to such kind of action, neither do the councils should pay attention to these kind of action, and they should continue with the hearing. So whether it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi or leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, or in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi as well. All of them have praised the way the Chief Justice of India has handled himself and handled the entire situation. Meanwhile, absolutely no remorse is being shown from the attacker. He says that Almighty made him do it, and that is the reason why there was a lot of action from the from the legal fraternity as well. And the legal fraternity yesterday also demanded that strong action needs to be taken against this particular person. But since the Chief Justice of India himself decided that no action needs to be taken against him, let him go, and that is the reason why no legal action has been taken against him. But as far as the Bar Council is concerned, they have initiated action against him, where they have decided to suspend his license.
We are also receiving some visuals coming in, Sabyasachi, with regards to the protests. Could you highlight, what exactly these protests are about? Is there any kind of support also which is coming for Rakesh Kishore on this incident?
See, at that particular time when the comment came in from the Chief Justice of India regarding one of the Vishnu idol, that it needs to be restored in one of the temple in Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh. After that, there was some sort of voices that came out against the Chief Justice of India, but after the clarification that was given by Chief Justice of India, Mr. Gavai, the protest did not continue. And yesterday, after yesterday's incident, the law fraternity itself had extended support to the Chief Justice of India, stating that the post Mr. Gavai holds is one of the top posts in the constitution, and no disrespect can be shown towards the chair, and that is the reason why they have condemned the action done by Mr. Kishore, and they have demanded that strong action needs to be taken against this gentleman who had carried out this attack. Meanwhile, this protest which has been going on in the Supreme Court, clearly the lawyers have been demanding that action should be taken against Mr. Kishore, and strong action should be taken against him, because no such action should not be repeated in the near future, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself had a telephonic conversation with Mr. Gavai, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised him for maintaining his composure, and also said that, and also condemned the entire incident.
Absolutely. Sabyasachi, earlier when that incident about Khajuraho PIL was, there in the picture, there was a strong condemnation from the normal public there on social media against the CJI as well. He was quick enough to highlight that the matter was taken out of context, and he in no intention wanted to hurt any sort of community. About this incident, do we have any word coming in from the bench?
After that remark that had come in from the Chief Justice of India, after the outrage that was seen from general public from different parts of the country, immediately after that, Mr. Gavai had issued a clarification stating that his entire statement was taken out of context, and he does not wish to hurt any sentiments of any communities in the country. And post that, we had seen that a lot of the political parties and general public in fact have raised objection to the remarks that had came in from the Chief Justice of India. But yesterday's incident that has taken place inside the Supreme Court premises, in fact, all political parties across different ideology have extended their support to the Chief Justice of India, stating that there is no place for such incident to happen. In fact, all of them have condemned the incident. And what is important to note, that the statement that had come in from the Chief Justice of India, because yesterday, after the Delhi police had detained Mr. Kishore from the Supreme Court, they had taken him for the initial questioning, and post questioning they were waiting from the green signal for the green signal from the Chief Justice of India to frame the charges against him. But the Chief Justice of India clearly stated that he does not wish to hold any grudge against him, and neither he wish to charge this particular gentleman, and that is the reason why he ordered the Delhi police to let him go. And that is the reason why yesterday itself the Delhi police let this person go without putting any charges on him.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for joining us and providing us all the details. But that's not in the series of developments. Let's also speak about what Prime Minister Modi has said about this incident. He has condemned the act of an advocate who attempted to throw a shoe at Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai inside the Supreme Court, calling it quote-unquote utterly condemnable. Prime Minister Modi said he had spoken to the CJI and denounced the incident, saying such a behavior has no place in the society. The advocate, reportedly wielding a shoe, shouted slogans before being escorted out by court security and briefly detained by Delhi police as well. Like my colleague Sabyasachi already highlighted that on the request of CJI himself, Delhi police did not charge him with any kind of charges, and he was left soon after a brief detention period. No criminal action was initiated as per the Supreme Court's registrar. Prime Minister Modi also appreciated the composure of Justice Gawai, who remained calm and then continued with the proceedings, saying it reflects his commitment to the values of justice and the spirit of the Constitution.